try to use something like a plastic thing so it doesn't really damage the plastic thing, whatever. So now I'm gonna take this screw out, and then let's see, I think that's the only one. Oh, and one right here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I removed this little connector harness that was stuck in here. I just pulled on this tab, we pushed it. Just took this little thing off for the door, you know, for locking it. Now for this one, I think the same thing. You just want to pull on the... All right, I pulled this piece off, right? I just pulled it out from this little piece right here. Connect the plastic. There we go. Disconnected the plastic and lift it up. Now all I have to worry about is this. It has a little push right here. See this little thing? I'm pretty sure you push it downwards. Push it in and then pop it out. So I'm gonna try to do this with 2 hands. You know, see, exactly like I said. Push it in, pull it out, and now we got the door out. The front door, to be specific. Lay this here. Now let's start putting in the new speaker, like in the front one. Now we can start replacing these old ones. Now removing this wasn't that hard. I just twisted to the left, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Pops out. Let's do the front too, just to see if it's the same. A little tighter because I kind of loosened the other one, so I don't know. Easy as it go. All right. Since I'm upgrading to Rockford Fosgate, I'm going to, I think it really doesn't matter, like, since they're all the same for this car, I can literally put them, this one in the front, this one in the rear, it don't matter. As long as I place them in, right? So since this one has a wire harness already, obviously this is an aftermarket speaker, so it doesn't come with one. I'm gonna have to tap into the positive and negative. Okay, so I figured out the yellow one is positive, green one is negative. So obviously I'm gonna have to connect it to my aftermarket speaker right here. The black one is a positive and the red one is negative. So not to get that mistaken. Again, the yellow one is gonna be my positive, green one negative. So instead of splicing this, I don't want to mess with anything of the original, you know, factory thing. So I'm going to just tap into it through this, connect these to the bottom right here, and these are the ones that are going to be, you know, with electric wire spliced in here. So I'm gonna figure it out, don't worry, I'll get back to it. These are gonna go into here. These are gonna these are gonna go into the bottom right here, positive and negative. So I'm about to connect them. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. So I finally found out how I'm gonna do this. I was thinking, honestly, since I don't want to mess with this, like the screws that it comes with, I'm gonna just have them holding on, bolted on to these extra holes. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, or I think they're gonna be down here. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, because I would much rather make little holes here than like ruin this whole door thing right here. We're gonna do the speaker test in a few. I'm going to make the holes, put the holes in with the screw, put the cap over it, and we'll turn on the car and see how they sound. A quick test. I got them connected, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, yellow, green, negative, you know, whatever. About to turn on the car and check it out, see how it bumps, see if it works. I don't know what the